Bogus goes around the outside and he is successful. Moves into third place. Oh, Seawer throws away the lead. Bottom of the hill, first lap. Van Hoorbeek has gone through as well, so all of a sudden, a mistake for Jeremy Seawer. Van Hoorbeek went through, so too did Prado, but Seawer now responding. He's found his way quickly past Seawer, he's going back after the Jerry man. Oh, look at Bogus down the inside of Renault. These two tearing strips off of each other. Renault goes through into second position. Fernandez will cut back to the inside here. That's exactly what he does. Prado just comes in too long and then just gets a swap over the bars, face plants, picks himself up, but he lost a position, didn't he?